In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image hover effect on Wix. If you're looking to make your site more interactive and visually engaging, adding a hover effect to your images is a fantastic way to do it. So let's dive in and begin this step-by-step process. First, you'll want to open the Wix editor. Head over to www.wix.com and log into your account. Once you're there, access the editor for the site you wish to enhance. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize your site's design in real time. Now, let's add or select the image you'd like to apply the hover effect to. If you don't have an image yet, click on Add Elements from the toolbar on the left side, then navigate to Media and select Image. Here, you'll have the option to upload a new image or choose one from your existing gallery. Once you've got your image, drag it onto the page, positioning it exactly where you envision it being displayed. With your image in place, it's time to add that exciting hover effect. Click on your image, and you'll notice options like Change Image or Settings appearing nearby. What you want is to dive into Animation and Effect. This will bring up the settings panel where you can add the interactive touch we're aiming for. In this menu, look out for the mouse effect options. This is where the fun begins, allowing you to choose from an array of hover effects to mesmerize your visitors. For instance, you can opt for effects like zooming in and out, which gives a dynamic touch as users hover over the image. If you prefer something a bit more subtle, consider the fade or slide effects, providing a smooth transition that adds an elegant flair to your site. Alternatively, you can go for an overlay effect, adding color or even text when the cursor hovers over the image. After selecting your desired effect, don't forget to fine-tune it to suit your style. Adjust settings like the transition speed to control how quickly or slowly the effect kicks in, alter the colors to match your website theme or highlight specific details, and play around with different animation styles to find the perfect fit. And that's it! Adding an image hover effect on Wix is as simple as that. By enhancing your images this way, not only do you add interactivity, but you also greatly enhance the user experience of your website. Now go ahead, unleash your creativity, and watch your site come alive with these animated effects. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.